great these days. When I touch my skin like this, it's just bouncing back. It also have this natural glow that I like. That is because I've been using a lot of natural remedies on my skin. I have been using skin tightening remedies that help my skin to look plumper and firmer. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share one of this remedy with you. This will help to firm and tighten, and some ingredient in this will also help to clear the skin of pigmentation. So if you're looking for a quick and easy facial mask that will have your skin looking younger and fresher, firmer, boosts collagen, and give you that natural glow, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share this recipe with you really quick, and I'm also going to share some tips on how best to use this on your skin. Now, when you are trying to get your skin to look amazing, you need to know, however, to do the base. The base is to steam at least twice per week, and then you exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times per week. And don't forget to wear your facial toner, your facial serum, and your facial moisturizer on a regular. Don't forget your sunscreen in the daytime. Now, once you can do that and apply some skin tightening facial mask, you're on your way for a younger looking you. So let's go whip this up really quick. Now, our first ingredient is okra, and take a look at this. Okra is amazing for the skin. It promotes healthy skin. Vitamin C helps keep the skin looking young and vibrant. The vitamin aid in the growth and repair of body tissue, which affect collagen formation and skin pigmentation, and help to rejuvenate the damaged skin. When applied to the skin topically, it will help your skin to look younger, fresher, and radiant. Now, what I'm going to use from the okra today are the okra seeds. So the first thing I'm going to do is to extract the okra seed. So cut the okra open like I'm showing here, and then just take your finger and just scoop the seeds out. So let's take about 3 okras and remove the seeds. Now take a look at the okra seeds up close. This is what they look like. And you can remove the rest of the gut from it, or you can go ahead and use it just like that. And now let's pour our okra seeds in our blender. Now let's take a look at our second ingredient. Here we have some cucumber, and cucumber is very hydrating to the skin. For this recipe, you do not need a lot. All you need is about an ounce or so of the cucumber. Now go ahead and use the cucumber as is, or you can choose to peel the cucumber. I'm going to use it as is. So wash the cucumber thoroughly and chop it in small pieces. Cucumber is very hydrating to the skin. It will help to keep your skin fresh, younger, and also amazing looking once used on a regular. Now, once the cucumber is chopped in small pieces, and we're adding the cucumber to the blender with the okra seeds. Now let's just cover. Do not add any water. The okra and cucumber, the cucumber is going to make the own liquid. So just let. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have okra and cucumber. Now let's scoop this out in a small bowl. Now once this is done, we're going to use a little bit of a moisturizer in this in the form of coconut oil. Coconut oil will have to lock that moisture in the skin. It is also a great oil for getting rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. Now we do not need a lot of the coconut oil. All we need is about a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. If you do not have coconut oil, use olive oil or grapeseed oil, or you can even choose to use some vegetable oil. And now let's mix this in and mix well. Very hydrating, very refreshing, reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boosts the collagen, get rid of hyperpigmentation, and leave the skin looking young and fresh. Now you're gonna set this aside for about half an hour or so. Just let the cucumber and the okra seed just infuse, and then I'm gonna come back and show you how to use this on your skin for amazing result. Okay, now to use this amazing anti-aging mask, you want to be generous with it, and it's going to be very, very cold. So just apply it on your skin, and you want to apply it as if you are actually washing your face with it. So apply in circular motion to begin with, and do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once this is done, you're going to reach back in, and then you are going to cover your face with the mask like I'm demonstrating here. Now once your face is completely covered, you are going to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse off, pat dry, and apply your favorite skincare product. Now I prefer to use this facial mask in the AM. However, use it whatever time is convenient to you. But if you use it in the mornings and it's chill, it gives your face a fresh, plumper appearance throughout the day. Now put this in your refrigerator and store it for up to 7 days, and you can choose to use this on your skin every day, or if you're looking for a deep treatment, use it 2 to 3 times per week as a facial mask. Now if you're looking for a full detailed recipe, check out my website at khichibeauty@gmail.com. On there we do the printout of these recipes, so go over there, check it out. Now if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below, you're gonna see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also at the side there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification right away. We also have membership on this channel. To become a member, just click on the join button and choose a tier. It's a monthly recurring fee, so be mindful of that. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.